frameworks, information and tools for ecosystem service assessments. The process that you can apply occurs across a continuum. There's no sort of a set position or approach that we take. And I see these two approaches here at opposite ends of the continuum. So at one end of the continuum, we have in-house approaches. And this is where we develop information and tools within an agency or organisation. And then we end up taking the finished product out to our stakeholders. And we show them our tools. And we say, wow, don't you like this product? Don't you want to use it? You know, this is a great product. On the other end of the scale, we have really collaborative processes. And this is where those who will use information and tools for ecosystem service assessments, they actually develop their own products, their own information and tools. And this is the area that I like to work in. To me, this collaborative process epitomizes what ecosystem service approaches are all about. So within this continuum, there's a whole lot of levels of engagement with stakeholders. And I'm not going to go too far into this, but of course at that one end, as I said, we have in-house approaches, and this is about informing stakeholders. And this is where we communicate our outcomes to stakeholders, as I previously mentioned. Consulting with stakeholders might be the next step. And this is where stakeholders input into the decision-making process, but we may or may not include their feedback into this. And then we can involve stakeholders, and this is where we can request and incorporate feedback, and we may take an iterative process with stakeholders. And then we sort of cross a line to where we get more collaborative with